Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I personally compare stocks to each other on Google Finance. This is one of my favorite features because it really helps me understand how different companies are performing relative to each other over time, and it makes spotting trends much easier. When I open Google Finance, the first thing I do is select a stock I want to start with. For this example, I'm going to choose Netflix. Once I'm on Netflix's page, I look for the Compare To button. It's usually right there near the top. When I click that, I can type in another stock to compare it against. For this demonstration, I'll go ahead and choose Apple. Once both stocks are selected, I can actually see a clear comparison. The chart shows Netflix in blue and Apple in yellow, so it's really easy to distinguish. I like to pay attention to the gains, losses, and overall trends over different periods. You can change the timeline to 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, or even max to see long-term performance. If I want to remove one stock and compare something else, I just click the X next to that stock and type in a new one. For example, I could compare Netflix to Tesla instead. This makes it really flexible for comparing multiple companies or industries quickly. I often use this method to see which stocks are outperforming or underperforming, and it's great for planning investments or understanding market behavior. Google Finance makes this extremely simple, intuitive, and visually clear. So, that's basically how I compare stocks to each other on Google Finance. Very simple, very straightforward, and really effective. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps you understand stock comparisons better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips, tutorials, and helpful insights. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.